Hello guys, today let's dive into Vantage copy trading. Should you try it or leave it? Vantage Market offers a copy trading platform that allows users to mirror the trades of experienced investors. With a minimum deposit of $50, users can access a network of over 71,000 signal providers, offering a range of strategies to suit different risk appetites. The platform supports various tools including MetaTrader 4 and 5 and integrates with services like DupliTrade and MyFXBook AutoTrade, providing flexibility for traders. Additionally, Vantage is regulated by reputable authorities such as ASIC and the FCA, ensuring a level of trust and security. However, user experiences are mixed. Some traders have reported issues like delayed withdrawals and platform glitches. Others caution about the risks of rapid trading, emphasizing the importance of thorough research and risk management. In summary, Vantage's copy trading platform offers accessible tools for those looking to replicate successful trading strategies. While it presents opportunities, potential users should approach with caution, conduct due diligence, and be aware of the inherent risks involved in copy trading.